Hello creators, and welcome to Creating with Mz Kaye. Today I'm embarking on a new milestone in my journey here on YouTube. I was invited to become a member of the Glam Squad. I am so extremely happy to be working with such a talented group of ladies. I would like to thank Tammy, Glam Queen of DIY, Stacy from Styling with Stacy, and Candy from DIY Designz by CCW for setting such a wonderful foundation for other women to come and create. I respect these ladies. I am such a fan of them. When I first came onto YouTube, I learned so much from watching the work that they do. We would like to wish them so much success in their upcoming endeavors, and we thank them for still working with us as well as supporting us. Now tonight, not only am I a new member, but the Glam Squad will be welcoming the return of Chanel from Inspired by Chanel. She's back, y'all, and y'all know she's coming with the glam. I am so excited to be working alongside of Ellen from Glamour Ellen, B, Elegant Designs by B, Chanel from Inspired by Chanel, and N at Love Luxury Renters by. The title of tonight's video is Glam Squad Decorating. We are able to style any part of our home. I chose to decorate my living room, and I'm only styling my coffee table and my console table. These two stylings will be in rose gold and the other will be in animal print. Now, the reason why I decided to go with rose gold as well as the animal print is because I have a video which will be coming out tomorrow evening at 7 p.m. and it will be a close collaboration. It's titled Valentine's Tablescape Rose Gold. So make sure you tune in. So my living room is actually going to match my dining room perfectly. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. you.